AFen fresh, healthy and nutritious food vending machine with automatic elevator system. Boost your profits with a 24/7 unattended selling point. Spiral, conveyor, and pusher slots. Selling a variety of fragile products such as fresh salad glass bottles, vegetables, fruits, eggs, cakes, etc. Restock directly from the large storage space. 22-inch touchscreen front, with idle advertisement display, immersive shopping experience. Support multiple payment methods, cash, coin, credit card. QR code purchase. Smart elevator system for fragile products dispensing. Neon advertising light box, stylish appearance, support all kinds of appearance customization. Anti-pinch design. Do you take a fancy to this machine? Welcome to inquiry.